And when I sleep, and if I walk.
Hey guys, Joe at Dual Design here, and today we're going to talk about one of our latest products, the MKIV Supra Front Fascia Retention Kit. No longer available from Toyota. We decided to make the front upper portion by request from our customers that were trying to apply it to our splash shield that we make for the MKIV Supra. This is technically an OEM Plus part. The substrate aluminum we made 3 times the thickness of OE to combat debris in the road, driveway, speed bumps, etc. Most of the time 20-30 years in, these things are pretty mangled. So I wanted to kind of beef up the structural integrity to help combat with that. 4mm longer stainless steel studs to replace the zinc coated steel OE. This is to help with aftermarket urethane, such as the front fascias and or lower lips that are typically thicker on the urethane. This will make it easy to feed through as they are studs, so you don't have to bolt nut through. I couldn't go any longer due to the outer portions having openings. We could not fit a nut in there if I went any longer than that, so I gave you guys as much room as I could. We since were requested to make the wings, so we did. So now you can buy the kit in separate pieces, however you want. You can check all those links down below. If you have any questions on this product, feel free to call, email. We will be doing an install video on this product as well as our splash shield here shortly, so stay tuned for that. Thanks guys.